Question number 12. Arrange the following in descending order. And we have given 2 upon 7, 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 6. Okay. So we will write here given 2 upon 7, 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 6. To find descending order. Solution. What we have to do? We will write down the numbers 2 upon 7, 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 6. First we have to do this base as common. For that we have to calculate LCM. I am not going to calculate here LCM, but you have to calculate the LCM. I will write here LCM is equal to 210. Okay. We will make base of all of these as 210. We know 30 into 7, 210. So we will multiply this by 30. So it will become 60 upon 210. Then 70 upon 210. Then 168 upon 210. Then this will be 210 divided by 2, 105. So 105 upon 210, and 210 divided by 6 is equal to 35. So 35 into 5, 175 upon 210. Now for descending order we have to write first bigger number. So this one will be the first, this one second, this one third, this one fourth and this one fifth. So these are the numbers. Okay. So therefore descending order is equal to, first will be 5 by 6, second will be 4 by 5, third will be 1 by 2, fourth will be 1 by 3 and last will be 2 by 7. Okay, so this is our answer.